Alright, so we're looking at the post-game carnage right here. Fireworks from last night. And there are little parachutes and pieces of shrapnel and bottle rocket pieces, mortar pieces. There's cardboard everywhere. More parachutes. Stuff all over the yard. You can't see it, but there were a couple little pieces of bottle rocket over by the house. Managed to get all the way over there. And I'm not sure if you can see it in the video either, but there's stuff on top of the neighbor's barn. We're gonna have to try to get down. This was by far the biggest that we ever did it, and we did it right. Part of a missile, a little mini cake, and here's where the magic happened. So awesome.
I'll get in the picture of this, it's epic.
I'm taking a video. Roman candlesticks, so much stuff.